In this video, I will be showing you Canva Bulk Create. Let's get started. I'll search for a Facebook post and select the option to create a blank template so I can build my own design. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for a gradient. I'll pick this soft pink and purple graphic, right-click it, and set it as my background. Next, I'll go to the Text tab and add a text box to the canvas. To customize the look, I'll open the font menu and search for a font called Moonlight. I'll apply that to my text and then add a second page to the project. For this second layout, I'll search elements for a minimalist background. I'll choose this watercolor design, set it as the background, and then paste the text box from my first page so the styling remains consistent. Now, I'll move to the Apps section in the left sidebar and search for the Bulk Create tool. After selecting it, I'll choose to enter my data manually. I'll start by clearing the existing table to start fresh. I'll name my columns T1 and T2 and begin inputting the series of quotes I want to use. I'm taking a moment here to add all my text to the list, making sure to delete any unnecessary rows or columns so the data is perfectly organized. Once my list is complete, I'll click Done. Back on the canvas, I'll select the text box, right-click it, and choose Connect Data to link it to my first text column. With everything connected, I'll click Continue in the side panel and then select the button to generate the designs. Canva will open a new tab and automatically create individual pages for every item in my list. As I scroll through the results, you can see how the different quotes have been applied across my two background styles.